Hello, everyone. I'm Tom Connell, and welcome to another Magic Minute. Today, we're exploring how actionable insights, facilitated by a data hub, can help your organization complete the evolutionary step from traditional manufacturing to digital manufacturing. In traditional manufacturing, decisions were often based on historical data and gut feeling. However, digital manufacturing's landscape demands real time, data driven decision making. Actionable insights derived from integrated data hubs make this shift possible. A data hub consolidates information from various sources, providing a unified view of operations. This centralization lets manufacturers gain real time insights into production processes, supply chain dynamics, and market demands. With these insights, businesses can optimize production schedules, reduce downtime, and improve overall efficiency. One key benefit of leveraging actionable insights is the ability to predict and prevent issues before they occur. For instance, predictive maintenance uses data to foresee equipment failures and schedule maintenance proactively, thereby reducing unplanned downtime and extending the lifespan of machinery. As Yoda wisely said, the more we learn, the more we discover how much we do not know. This quote underscores the importance of continuous learning and data exploration in digital manufacturing. By constantly analyzing data, manufacturers can uncover new patterns and opportunities that were previously hidden, leading to innovation and competitive advantage. Moreover, data hubs facilitate enhanced collaboration across departments. Integrated data allows for seamless communications between production, quality control, and supply chain management, ensuring that everyone works with the same information and towards the same goals. Transitioning to digital manufacturing also means embracing advanced technologies like IoT, AI, and machine learning. These technologies rely on high quality data from a centralized hub to function effectively. For example, IoT devices can provide real time monitoring and control, while AI algorithms optimize the production process. Now, every day, Magic Software helps over 2,000 customers transform their manufacturing strategies with actionable insights. Our products and services provide the tools you need to make this transition seamless and effective. Embrace the future of manufacturing with actionable insights and Magic Software and leave traditional strategies behind. Thanks for watching. For more insights and solutions, connect with us on LinkedIn and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As Yoda once said, much to learn you still have. This is just the beginning. See you next time.